everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and today I have a very exciting video for you guys. It is going to be all about hair. So as you guys can tell, I have pretty long hair. It almost reaches my hips, and I'm very particular with my hair. I like to cut it myself, and that takes a lot of responsibility on myself for my hair because I need it to stay healthy in order for me to like never go to the hair salon because I don't. I just literally trim my hair myself, so whenever I see split ends I just cut it myself. But the point is that in order to keep my hair healthy and shiny and looking good and keeping it long as well, a lot goes into that. And so today I'm going to share with you guys one of my favorite products to use for my hair when I'm getting ready for work. I work from Monday to Friday, so I do have like my different hairstyles and hair tools that I use for different days depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, that brings us into today's sponsor for this video, and I'm working with Aima Beauty, and I'll be talking about one of their hair tools that I've been using for the past few weeks that I've really been loving. This is the Aima Beauty hair drying tool, hairbrush, hair drying at the same time. This is a 4-in-1 hair tool. I've been loving it. I also love its design. It's like this navy blue with this bronze button here, so it has different levels I'll talk to you about later. But yes, this is a 4-in-1 hair tool. I have hair in it. It actually comes with a tooth hair pick so you can get your hair out, but I've been using it often, so there's some hair in there and I haven't like cleaned it out. But obviously I always test products out before I talk about them, but this one I've been loving so much, and it is a 4-in-1, like I said, for hair drying, volumizing, also hair straightening and styling in general. So you can just brush it down, add the volume at the root of your hair and go down. You can even style it however you want. So people have those cute bob cuts, you can like curl it outward and have that nice whip. What I love about this one specifically, I think my sisters have been using a different kind. It's very thick at the base, like it's big, it's really big, and I like that this one is a little bit thinner at the base here where you hold on to it, so it makes styling a lot easier, especially like for women. We have smaller hands, so I don't understand why they would make like other people make the base so large, which I love that this one is smaller and more delicate for a woman's hand. And the power on this is really amazing, and you have different levels you can use as well. And so we have off, we have cool, so if you want cool air coming out. I usually use it at the next level, which is low. We have low heat coming out. I like to use lower settings on all my hair tools just because I don't want crazy amount of heat onto my hair that damages the hair. And then there's high, and I do use high sometimes when I want like crazy volume at my root, because I do have very long hair, so it kind of like weighs the hair down very easily. So when I want more volume up at the top, I will use the high setting, but I rarely try to use high settings with my hair. You can hair dry it at the same time you are brushing it, and it gives it a very silky shine. I use this tool and then I'll go in and like maybe curl my hair afterwards. If I want that sleek brushed hair that's super shiny, I will do that at times. And sometimes I just go in with the brush and like kind of like have my hair look super shiny and just use this. So it's super convenient as well because I don't have to blow dry my hair and then maybe do something else. Also with volumizing, again, if you know how to dry it at the root, it'll give you some volume at your roots, but also it'll give you volume at the ends. And in the video I'll show you exactly how I use this tool, and I'll show you how I round out my ends. I do not have that hairstyle on me right now, but I'll show you guys in the video of when I was actually styling my hair before work. This is filmed at a different day. Another point that I love about this hair tool specifically is that the bristles are not super firm, so it's easily flexible in your hair and it doesn't get stuck in your hair, because it is literally the worst nightmare when you get like a brush stuck in your hair while you're like air drying your hair and brushing it. But these ones are very malleable and like flexible, so they kind of go in with the hair and you don't get like a lot of your hair getting stuck in here, which is really great, especially for super long hair like mine. It's been amazing for that. Also, in general, the cool thing about the tool is that you can style it essentially however you'd like. There's so many things you can do with this one tool. You can curl your ends, you can straighten your hair, you know, so whatever look you're going for, you can kind of like make it your own. Also, when I used to have, you know, like the little side bangs, I always was in need of one of these, and now that I have one, it's so nice because, you know, sometimes I feel like changing up my hairstyle, so I'll get like the little side bangs, and that's when you need to you need one of these hair brush drying tools. So yeah, it's great. You can style it however you'd like. And now I'm going to show you guys how I use the Aima Beauty tool. And again, if you guys are interested in the tool itself, go check out my description box. I'm leaving all the information in there for you guys, and yeah, stick around to see how I use the tool. So I start by turning on my hair tool, and I use the low setting like I said before. You want to make sure your hair is damp. The damper it is, well, it has to be like a good in between dry and wet. Mine was like a pretty good damp, so it makes your hair more styleable if it's damper. So that's what I do with my hair. And then you also want to make sure you start at your roots. You go up with the brush because that's going to give you way more volume, and especially if you have long hair and your hair weighs you down, the hair weighs itself down more, you want to like make sure you tackle those roots very well for your hair. And yeah, just make sure you go section by section. It's easier to work with smaller hair sections. You'll get, you know, a better result if that's what you're looking for. So I'm focusing here on my bottom, and this is how you style it. So if you want to have like wispy ends or ends that whip out, you just have to style it in that way. And you can see here I am focusing on the ends of my hair. I'm whipping the hair out so we can kind of have that cute little curl that I like to have occasionally, and I think it looks like really nice. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Just focusing on the ends, and yeah, the tool is doing a really good job. I was just kind of going one time through to whip my ends, and that's all I needed for my ends. You see here on the front layers of my hair how beautiful the whipping out looks. It's so stunning. Look how bouncy my hair is. It's also starting to look very shiny. Okay, so this is the final result. I think it looks so good. My hair is shiny, it's smooth, it has volume, the ends are whipped out. I think it looks really beautiful the way it is. Sometimes I just go to work like this after drying my hair and kind of styling it a little bit with the styling tool. And look at the shine in the hair, it's so beautiful. You can also go in with some product as well. Usually I do like a quick hairspray, just so all my little frizzies stay in place if there are any. But yes, it's beautiful. I have this volumizing effect in my hair versus like when you straighten it, it's just flat. This is like a straight look but with volume, basically like a blowout for long hair. Okay guys, we're back now. I hope that video helped you guys understand how to use the tool and if it's something that you can see yourself using. Again, I have super long hair, so I love using this tool and it's very convenient for me. And especially when you have long hair, it's just like everything takes a lot of time. So when you have a 4-in-1 tool, it's just like incredibly easier, time-saving, convenient. So yeah, I've been loving it the past few weeks I've been using it. And again, everything will be in the description box for you guys to view. And please stick around for my next video. I have another one coming up. So yeah, and if you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching and sticking around. I film a lot of vlogs and reviews on fashion, products, a lot of things in general. So if you're interested, please stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as well. That would really help my channel. And thank you for all who always come back and watch my videos. I appreciate it so much. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.